Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the blueprint fragment for the rectangular ceiling light. So this bad boy, from what I understand, only requires one fragment in order to actually unlock it, but I'm going to show you quickly where to find both of them, just in case one of them bugs out. So we're going to start out life here today next to the life pod, and we're basically going to head right directly to the north, maybe to 345 on the compass, and that should take us to the direct spot where there's a big pile of junk, and one of them is the already glowing light for the ceiling. So there you can see it right there. It's glowing kind of blue, and it's sitting underneath of this rounded piece of metal. And then we can give that bad boy a scan. So that should probably unlock that for you, but if for whatever reason it's not behaving itself, because somebody reported that some of the fragments don't like to play ball, you can head sort of to the north again, following along with these big blue tentacle plants, and all the way to the north, sort of on the edge of this zone, is a tentacle plant that has the other fragment sitting right next to it. So once you get all the way over here to the north, we're going to swing a slight right, and we're going to go to this plant right here, and inside of this big old crate next to its tentacle that's dangling down here, you will find the other fragment for this particular light. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you find the rectangular light inside of Subnautica. It does a really good job of lighting up your base. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.